Here is a simple visual example of why I think AI can actually help you be more creative, not less. So, a little bit of backstory. I did architecture for over 11 years, and one of the very annoying parts of architecture school back in my day was that we had to actually get people to Photoshop in front of all of our buildings when we were presenting them at the end of a project. And there wasn't just like a library of where you could find these people to put in front. I mean, eventually people started creating their own libraries, and then tech advanced, and then there was libraries of people you could choose from. But back when I was doing it, you had to actually go find people that looked like they fit for your type of building, and then zoom into them on Photoshop, click around them to then remove the background, and then put them in front of your building at different sizes, and then like put shadows on them and everything. And it was very time consuming. But one of the great things you can now do with AI image editing is just click on a picture and say background remover, and it will just do remove the background, and then you have just the person standing in front of you. I can't even begin to tell you how many hours, days, or weeks of my life I would have gotten back if that was a thing back in my day. So, does zooming into people and then removing the background actually require creativity? No, not really. If I had gotten that time back, would I then have been able to devote more of my time, intelligence, and creativity to my actual designs and presentation? Yeah, 100%. So AI wasn't taking away creativity from the process. It's actually just giving me more time to be able to use my brain at an even higher level, which is how I see AI. I can get that a lot of people see it as it's taking away creativity, but it really depends on how you use it. As long as you are focused on getting the most out of your life and the work that you're doing, you're still going to use a lot of your brain and your own creativity, but also you have to have critical thinking with any of these tools anyways. So anyways, this is a visual example, and I'll show you what it looks like. And it was that easy. That literally could have taken me a half an hour. All the time I would have gotten back. There are right ways and wrong ways to use AI, and most people haven't been taught or trained. I am self taught. I just tested these tools to figure out what worked and what didn't. But with AI, you have to have critical thinking. You have to try to still bring in your own intelligence and expertise and creativity into the process. Otherwise, yeah, it is going to be garbage, but it doesn't have to be one or the other. It can actually enhance a lot of the work that you're doing. So if you have any questions, let me know in the comments. And I also have a free community group called Architect of Your Life if you're trying to build something amazing with your life and you just need a little bit of a support.